Hi everyone, I hope you will like the video. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Hi everyone, today let's talk about complex numbers. Complex numbers is represented as the form of a plus b I, whereas a is the real part and bi is the imaginary part. Why it's imaginary part? Because it has the imaginary unit I, and we defined I equal to square root of -1, whereas I square equal to -1. Now let's give example of imaginary units I. For example, square root of -25 equal to square root of -1 multiplied by square root of 25 equal to e square root of 25, and we know the square root of 25 is 5, so it's 5e. Now let's check if it's correct. 5e square equal to 5 square e multiplied by e square equal to 25 multiplied by -1 equal to -25. Which is correct. Now let's see example of a complex number. For example, -4 plus 6i. -4 is the real part and 6i is the imaginary part. For example, 2i equal to 0 plus 2i, where 0 is the real part and 2i is the imaginary part. Another example, 3 equal to 3 plus 0i, whereas 3 is the real part and 0i is the imaginary part. Now we move to addition of complex number. To add two complex numbers, we follow this form. So for example, 5 minus 11i plus 7 plus 4i. So to add these two numbers, we're gonna add the real part together and then we add the imaginary part together. So 5 plus 7 plus minus 11 plus 4i. 5 plus 7 equal 12 plus minus 11 plus 4 minus 7i equal 12 minus 7i. Subtraction of complex number. To subtract two complex number, we follow this form. For example, -5 plus I minus 11 minus 6i. So to subtract this complex number, we're gonna follow the form. So -5 plus e plus 11 plus 6i equal to -5 plus 11 plus 1 plus 6i equal to 6 plus 7i. To multiply two complex numbers, we follow this form. So for example, 3 plus I multiply 2 plus I. So to solve this, we're gonna follow the form again. 3 multiplied by 2 plus I plus I multiply by 2 plus I equal 3 multiplied by 2, 6 plus 3 multiplied by I equal 3I plus 2 multiplied by I, 2I plus I multiplied by I, 2I squared equal 6 plus 5I plus, and we know I squared equal to minus 1. Minus 1 equal 6 minus 1 equal 5 plus 5I. Now complex conjugate and division. The complex conjugate for the number a plus bi is a minus bi, and the multiplication of the complex conjunction is equal to a real number. For example, 3I divided by 4 plus I equal, to get rid of imaginary number, we multiply complex conjugate. So we multiply 4 plus I by 4 minus I. And we do the same to the numerator. So 3I multiplied by 4 minus I. So 3I multiplied by 4 equal 12I minus 3I multiplied by I is 3I squared divided by, and we know the multiplication of complex conjugates, it's equal to a real number. So a is 4 square plus b, which is 1 square equal 12I, and we know I square equal to minus 1. So minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 4 square equal to 16 plus 1 square equal to 1. 12I minus 3 multiplied by minus 1 equal to plus 3. 16 plus 1 equal to 17, and equal to 3 over 17 plus 12 over 17 I. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment.